Hey, what's going on, Weavers? Tim here again, and this is the trailer for the Patreon exclusive video of the month. For this month, we are doing the THOR Paracord bracelet. This is yet another awesome design by Cetus550, and it's a great one. Though this pattern may appear somewhat simple, it was actually a decent challenge to weave, so it was super satisfying to get this one completed and done right. I'm sure all you intermediate to advanced weavers will enjoy making this one. Overall, it's not overly wide or too thick, so it's very comfortable to wear, which makes this one overall a great bracelet. So for those of you that aren't aware, I do run a Patreon page to help support this channel, and for the super low price of $3 per month, you can get access to over 30 exclusive tutorials as well as a new video each and every month. Also, you'll get access to the Weavers of Eternity Discord server, where we hang out, share pictures of our work, and all that great stuff. That being said, a huge thank you to all my Patreon supporters. You guys are the best and are really helping to ensure the future of this channel. If you would like to support the Weavers of Eternity on Patreon, links to my Patreon page will be linked in the video as well as the description box down below. I thank you all for even considering.